my name is Alif Rushaidi bin Amiza from Group 7. Today I will talk about introduction for home energy audit. First, energy efficiency specialists will perform a variety of tests on the house during an energy audit in order to identify air leaks, checks the amounts of insulation, and determine how well the heating and cooling system are working. In addition, the main goal of an energy audit is to find solution to cut operational expense or energy use per unit of output. The table shows baseline of an electricity consumption in 6 months, that is from July to December 2022. For the July, the electrical usage is 290 kilowatts and the cost is 73 ringgit and 66 cents. For the August, the electrical usage is 280 kilowatt and the cost is 70 ringgit 32 cents. And for the September, electrical usage is 224 kilowatts and the cost is 51 ringgit 62 cents. For October, the electrical usage is 254 kilowatts and the cost is 61 ringgit and 64 cents. For November, the electrical usage is 195 kilowatts and the cost is 42 ringgit and 51 cents. For the December, the electrical usage is 254 kilowatts and the cost is 61 ringgit and 64 cents. The total of electrical usage on 6 months from July to December is 1,497 kilowatts and the total cost for the July to December 2022 is 361 ringgit and 39 cents. For the maximum electrical usage is at is 290 kilowatts and the cost is 73 ringgit and 66 cents. For the minimum electrical usage for the July to December 2022 is 195 kilowatts and the cost is 42 ringgit and 51 cents. For average of electrical usage for the July to December is 249.5 kilowatts and the average cost is 60 ringgit and 23 cents. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Lishafi bin Latif and my metric number is P0620101010. So my part is question 2, which is the target for energy consumption. So for the first step, we need to have the graph for us to calculate the time dependent analysis, and then we need to know what is the minimum and maximum value for the month for electrical usage and also the cost. So after we identified July is the minimum for the over 1 month and November is the maximum value for over 1 month, and then we need to calculate the total for electrical usage and also the total cost. Then we need to have the average value for the electrical usage, and after that we need to calculate their energy efficient index. So how to calculate the EI is we need to divide the number of electrical installation for the every month with the number of household. So our household is 6 people, so we need to divide by 6, and then we get the value. For the calculation, is the set target for energy consumption and cost must not be more than the total average for energy consumption and cost. That's all for me. I will pass my presentation to my next member. Thank you so much.
Hi, I am Sila Sharametu Badrisham and my method number is B0620100316. I'm going to present per appliance measurement. So, to find energy consumption for 1 month, we need to have this formula, which is first appliance voltage divided by 1000 kilowatt per hours, then multiply by time per hours we use in the appliance, and lastly, multiply a day for energy consumption. For our case, we need to find 12-month energy consumption, so we use energy monthly consumption multiplied by 12-month energy uses. The power consumption for the refrigerator is 274 watts divided by 1000 kilowatts per hour times 24 hours usage times 30 days. The monthly consumption, which is 198 kilowatt per hour, times 12, which is 2376 kilowatt per hour. The power consumption for auto washing machine is 450 watts divided by 1000 kilowatt per hour times 5 uses times 30 days generates the monthly consumption, which is 67.5 kilowatt per hour just times 12 generates 12 month energy consumption, which is 810 kilowatt per hours. Consumption for LED lamp is 42 watts. Since the half have 7 units, we need 2 times 7 divided by 1000 kilowatt per hours times 12 usage times 30 days. Monthly consumption, which is 105.84 kilowatt per hours just times 12 generate 12 month energy consumption, which is 1270.08. kilowatt per hour. The power consumption for ceiling fan is 75 watts. Since the house has 3 units, we need to times 3 divided by 1000 kilowatt per hour times 20 usage times 30 days. Generate the monthly consumption, which is 135 kilowatt per hour. Just time 12, generate 12 month energy consumption, which is 1620 kilowatt per hour. Power consumption for iron is 1200 watts divided by 1000 kilowatt per hour by 1 usage times 30 days. And the monthly consumption, which is 36 kilowatt per hour, just time 12, generate 12 months energy consumption, which is 432 kilowatt per hour. The power consumption for char kettle is 1850 divided by 1000 kilowatt per hour by 1 usage times 30 days. The monthly consumption, which is 55.5 kilowatts per hour times 12 generate 12 my energy consumption, which is 666 kilowatt per hour.
Hi, my name is Amisha Ratajmi with metric number B06201144, and I will present about energy cost saving measures. For energy cost saving measures, we have two, which is utilize daylight and use smart power strips. For utilize daylight makes sense to use solar energy to lower energy usage. If possible, it is preferable to find a home with windows that face north or south rather than east or west. As a result, there is less harsh light in the winter and more cleansing light that generate heat. East and west facing windows let in more direct sunlight, but they don't let in as much heat. And then we will use smart power strips. Smart power strip electronic use phantom energy, also called as standby energy, for vampire energy when switches off. Standby energy wasted a lot. Smart power strip, also known as advanced power strip, eliminate phantom loads by turning off equipment while not in use. Smart power strip also can be set up, turned off at a specific time during idleness by remote switch or by the state of a master devices. Next, we will move to the financial analysis. We will install 5 appliances in order to save energy. The first one is install 5-star refrigerator. The second one install new fan efficiency energy. The third one replace washing machine with Toshiba brand. The fourth one install new rice cooker that use lower energy. And the last one reduce the usage for the amount left. As we can see, if we installing 5-star refrigerator that using energy saving, it will be 258.34 kilowatt hour per year, and the cost per year will be 21.50 kilowatt hour. While for investment, the cost will be Rm 86 ringgit point 29 cents per year, while for simple payback period will be 24.92 per year.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Kamila Fatihah binti Abdul Rahman, and I would like to continue this presentation with an implementation plan. In summary of energy consumption measure, there are two types of cost measure, which are low and medium cost measure. Also, we have ranked it up to 2 priority. To conclude, total potential saving is 2,186.66. The cost per year is 810 ringgit point 36 cents. And last but not least, the payback period per year is 55.55. So that's all from our group. Thank you.